What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thursday, September 18th, 2025, and I'm out front of our shop here on Long Island, New York, at 1010 Central Avenue in Woodmere. It's 6:20 in the morning. We have an exciting day today, but before we get into that, I need to show you a couple clips of yesterday afternoon before we went home. Janine gets to watch us document our demise. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened? Oh, come on, you serious? 1, 2, 3. Come on! Are you serious?
Here we go.
Oh yeah, fuck that. Damn, it's heavy. All right, you want to get what kind of extra power? We're gonna need this different stuff. So put it on the thing. The platform. In your bucket.
Big boss.
Come on, Daniel. Come on. Lift it up, Daniel. Come on. Come on, Daniel. Get in there.
Damn,
Look.
Daniel.
There you go. Oh, it's behind it. Oh, it's Tate McRae. She's hot, by the way. I don't know what that is. Tate McRae? She has that voice. Deadly voice.
Seduction.
She's got the, like, you'll get divorced from your wife with me voice. You good?
Tire doctor himself.
Plugged in? Is it not plugged in?
It wasn't plugged in over there.
Oh shit.
Really?
It's not plugged in. You're not able to use it.
So much for that.
I'll press off. No, but we can get it up at least. That's the easy part. Now we'll let it charge.
I'll start it on the other side.
Ladies and gentlemen, this desktop water filtration system puts out 20 parts per million and it leaks. It leaked all over our countertop right here. And I'm gonna smash this thing. Hopefully
What do you want to do with giant pipe wrench?
Oh yeah, okay, let's do that. You want to pitch today? I don't want to hit any cars like this thing. Imagine like I slam into the Porsche over there.
Should have hit the Petro truck.
Go stand there.
Hold on.
This ain't paper jam when there is no paper jam. Thing's heavy.
Knock it out the park.
Let's see you take a swing at that. Yeah.
Should I like? I want to go on top though. Wait until this car passes. Yeah, you're good. I could go like this.
What? This is gonna be hysterical. No, you should like hit like a bat.
Hold on. Now this car's coming.
I bet.
No, you're good. Quick. No.
Damn, kid, what's wrong? You're weak.
Hit this and this didn't even break.
Damn, you gotta give it a whack.
Me?
Yeah.
No?
Try. Heavy though.
Oh, check. You're the umpire, the referee. You gotta get it's a little heavy. You have to anticipate lifting it up a little bit. What do you think?
Go.
Yes. There you broke it.
Hold on now.
Oh, just down on it. That's what I wanted to do. Still do it.
Yeah, you still do it. No, there's more. Hit that.
Yeah.
Things we do on a great day. It's a goner.
Oh shit!
Thing's heavy.
Yo, that shit's not it. That shit is
Where it belongs. Not only does it deliver shitty water, but it leaks. But it could not overcome the 36-inch pipe wrench. It could not overcome the 36-inch pipe wrench. No, that's the 48. Sorry. That's the 48.
You can see all the times Derek hit the ground.
Well, I hit it the first time.
Oh, that was.
Yeah. All right, folks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more entertainment and more fun. All behind the Mongo. And remember, folks, with your donation to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization of $42.50 or greater, you're going to get a autographed limited edition Mikey Pipes If You Ain't Testing Guessing poster. If you want a limited edition framed poster, reach out to me. It's going to cost you. It's going to cost you a few C notes, but they are available. Limited edition. There's two right there, okay? We got the version 2.0 and the version 1.0. Do it now. Now, folks, you may be wondering, Mikey Pipes, what the fuck is wrong with you? Insane in the membrane. I'm insane. Got no brain. Well, it leaked all over the countertop of the ice machine. And we don't want to have any of that going into our nice, clear barrel ice. Compliments of this XO ice machine. And it also delivered cocky water. 25 parts per million of carbon monoxide. 25 parts per million of total dissolved solids. While this is awesome, by the way. The Simpure, 3 parts per million of TDS, total dissolved solids coming out of there. And you guys know that I'm a water snob. But the boiler is ready. God willing, we're going to have a successful day today. We're going to get this knockdown SteamMax 125 installed. Hopefully before 12 o'clock today. I got all my piping. I got the Mega Press fittings. I got the Mega Press jaws. It's going to come out tits. And since no one took me up on the offer of a free to sew 12,000 BTU system, it's now $450. Keeping it real. Cheap. A 1200 valve. Value. Someone had wrote valve before, and it's a $1,200 value. It's a little banged up, but I think someone will take this. Now, there was a guy who came by yesterday in one of those rinky-dink, beat-up, hoopty-looking vans that they used for scrap metal, and he goes, free? I was like, listen, bro, if you're going to scrap it, you're not taking it. He goes, what's wrong with it? I was like, look, it's brand new in the box. All right? He called a friend, and he goes, it's a Tassat. And he goes, I don't want that shit. I'm like, oh, man, wow, really? I'm like, there's nothing wrong with this. I have a home for the $18,000, by the way. That's getting installed probably next week. An existing residential client saw the video, called me yesterday, and said, Mikey Pipes, you're going to install that for $1,000 for me? I'm taking it. I was like, I got you, bro. I got you. Remember this, folks. If you live in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor, pick up the fucking phone and call me. 516-348-6300, or that number too, 295-2448. What are you waiting for? Do it now.